Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be opening up this Allure beauty box for the month of March. I have not seen any of the Allure openings, so I have no idea what's in here. If you want to see how I got this look, I will link the video down below. This is a look I did using the products from my BoxyCharm for the month of March. I have stuff everywhere. I really did clean this desk this morning. Now I have stuff everywhere again. Be the person your lipstick wants you to be. Cute. Okay guys, let's see what we got. Yeah. Interesting. We got, I have no idea what this is. La Roche-Posay Anthelio 60. It's an ultralight sunscreen fluid. Fast absorbing matte finish for normal to dry skin. And it has like medical directions on it. That scares me. So that's going in a giveaway. Here is something from Simple. It is a hydrating gel cream for sensitive skin. Water boost. So some more skincare. It's been a skincare kind of month. This is a water sleeping mask. I love these. I love to put this on before I go to bed. Never tried that one, so that will be fun. I have an Ico waterproof lash enhancing eyeliner. Not sure how that's possible. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Jelly. Sorry about that. I threw it and it went into the dog's crate, and I threw it to go in the giveaway bag because I have so many eyeliners. No kidding. Also, I got a Ultra HD Y335 Makeup Forever foundation. I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well because I have a lot of these. This is a Makeup Forever C211, I think, is a lipstick. Let's see what color it is. It's probably going to go in the giveaway too because I have a ton of lipsticks. Yes, and I think I have this color. So it's like a nude, peachy, pinky nude. So I will put that in the giveaway as well. And then I got some, I think you say this, Oribe, something like that. Freestyler working hairspray. And I will hang on to this because I do really like their products. So, that was the Allure beauty box for the month. Not, you know, I'm keeping 3 things and giving away 4 things. So, but that's hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. That's what I want to do. I want to share with you guys. Because I don't want it to go to bed and I won't use it. There's no sense in it. It has to get on. Hey, hey, hey. That's enough. Alright, you guys. So that was my Allure box for the month. Nothing for me to demo because most of it is skincare that I am keeping. The rest I'm passing on. And I will see you guys soon in the next video, I hope, where I'll be opening up my Sephora Play box. Alright guys, have a great day. Mwah.